What's up everyone, welcome back to my third Python tutorial. And in this video I'm going to teach you guys about something called variables. So basically what a variable is a storage for any value the coder assigns it. So how it works is very simple. First you type in a variable name, which can be anything. But for me, I'm going to type in x as a variable name because x is a very common variable name. Second, you assign it to value. This value can come from you or someone else, or somebody like the user of your program you're gonna make eventually. Uh, yeah, but for me, I'm gonna assign x as a value of 12, but you gotta press equal and then 12. And yeah, once you do that and press enter, x is going to be recognized as 12 by the program. You can use this value in any equation like x plus 2, which should come out to be a 14. There we go. Also, you can create multiple variables in a program. I'm going to create a variable named var, which stands for variable, and assign it to the value of 9. And so what you can do is you can just do like an equation like var to the third power, like that. Or what you can also do is use both variables in the same equation, like this: x times var. But at this point, you might be asking this question: okay, but what's the point of this if you're just gonna use some numbers? Why don't you just write them every time? Yeah, you're right. It's kind of pointless right now, but not until, just wait until you make an app. In an app, let's say a calculator, you want to do calculations for the user, but you can't do it unless you have the user's input. But you can't do that because you're not going to know what the user inputs. So this is when the variables come in. However, this time you're going to need an help from a function called input. I'm gonna make a variable named y and write input. Oh my god, what am I doing? Input, and I'm gonna do this thing, and you're gonna write whatever you want. For me, I'm just gonna write enter on number. Oh guys, I forgot this, but you guys gotta make sure that for this Python version you have to put int right in front of the input, which stands for integer. You have to let the program know that you're gonna put a number inside this. If you're not doing a number, you don't have to do this, but since we're doing numbers right now, we're just gonna put int in front of it. And then when you press enter, the user is gonna receive this question. This is what the user is gonna see on the screen. Yeah, so when you press enter, you're gonna see this, and I'm gonna type in a number like this, and when I press enter, the variable y now is gonna be recognized as 14 by the program. So this variable actually just works like any other variable you created. So later on, whenever you want the user to assign a value to your variable, just write variable name like e equals input. This is very crucial because this is like what your program is gonna evolve around. Oh, by the way, you can just do like calculations just like this. Y plus var. Oh, never mind, this is the wrong line. Y plus var. Yeah, just like that. I don't know why that happened. Yeah, so yeah, that concludes my third Python tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. you guys should go ahead and practice this on your own and get used to it. Then you'll be ready for my next Python tutorial. Again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.